संगीत के क्षेत्र में भी अद्वितीय रहा है। चाहे वो शहनाई वादक बिस्मिल्लाह खा रहे हो, चाहे शास्त्रीय संगीत में छन्नूलाल मिश्र जी, जिन्होंने बड़ा अच्छा एक होली का गीत, खेले मसाने में होली दिगंबर, खेले मसाने में। तो ऐसे ही संदर्भ में होली गीत लेकर प्रस्तुत हैं श्रेया पांडे 12D। श्रेया।
Yes, sir. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Shreya Pandey of Kendra Vidyalaya 39 TTC Camp Varanasi. Today I am going to present a Holi Geet which is very popular in Uttar Pradesh. Songs of Holi are related to Radha Krishna Leela in the festival of Holi. So here it goes. आगरी ऐसी होली में लग जाए, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार, शाम होली चुनरी में लग गया, आगरी ऐसो प्रकृति रंगीडार। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद श्रेया, बहुत ही अच्छा होरी गीत आपका। किसी कारणवश स्वप्निल पांडे की कजरी हम लोग नहीं सुन पाए थे, नेटवर्क डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। मैं एक बार पुनः स्वप्निल पांडे को आमंत्रित करूंगा कि वे अपने कजरी गीत के साथ प्रस्तुत हो। स्वप्निल।
धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चली काशी नगरियाना। धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चली काशी नगरियाना। चल चली काशी नगरियाना, चल चली काशी नगरियाना। के धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चल शिव की नगरियाना। के धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चल शिव की नगरियाना। गंगा जल धरे शिव के द्वारे, मांगे मनाती हाथ पसारे। गंगा जल धरे शिव के द्वारे, मांगे मनाती हाथ पसारे। बम 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 करी गुण गनवा, चल चल शिव की नगरियाना। कि धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चल काशी नगरियाना। काशीनाथ हरि गंगे, में सब भक्ति के रंग में। काशी विश्वनाथ हरि गंगे, में सब भक्ति के रंग में। रिम झिम सावनी बदरिया, चल चल शिव की नगरियाना। कि धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चल काशी नगरियाना। काशी नगरियाना, काशी नगरियाना। धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चल काशी नगरियाना। धनी हो लागल सावन महीनवा, चल चली शिव की नगरिया। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद स्वप्निल, बहुत ही अच्छा गीत के लिए। आपने अरुणाचल प्रदेश के लोगों को शिवनगरी वाराणसी में आमंत्रित किया। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय 39 जीटीसी परिवार की ओर से अरुणाचल वासियों को वाराणसी में आमंत्रित करता हूं, जरूर आए और वाराणसी के सौंदर्य को देखें। और जब यहाँ आए तो केंद्रीय विद्यालय 39 जीटीसी को जरूर याद करें। अब मैं आगे के कार्यक्रम हेतु ईटानगर कंट्रोल रूम को हैंड ओवर करता हूं।
Thank you so much, sir, for your beautiful presentations from your school. And thank you so much, Greater Noida, for presenting some beautiful presentations. Now, I request our students of all three Vidyalayas to have a small interaction of 10 minutes with each other. If they want to ask any question to the partnering state students, they can ask it. Okay, all of you, all the students, you are invited to ask questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask to your colleagues which are from your tiered state.
Hello everyone. Myself Jigyasha Das of studying in class 7C of school Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Chimpu, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. I am very happy to get a chance to talk with you. So I want to know about the famous personalities from Uttar Pradesh like politicians, freedom fighters, authors, actors, scientists, etc. So please tell me.
If any student is interested from KV Greater Noida or from KV Varanasi Kent, they can answer the question.
There are many freedom fighters from Uttar Pradesh like Bhagat Singh, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Mangal Pandey, Liaquat Ali, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and as we all know that Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of the princely state of Jhansi, which is currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh. She was one of the prominent leaders who rebelled against British Raj. And Liaquat Ali, he was a religious leader from Allahabad and prominent leader of the Indian rebellion of 1857. And Mangal Pandey, he was one of the Indian soldiers who played important role in the outbreak of Indian rebellion of 1857. He was sepoy in the 34 Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry of British East India Company.
Okay, thank you so much. The second question is, I want to know about the medical facilities in rural areas of Uttar Pradesh.
If any student is able to answer that question, that Jigyasa want to know about the medical facilities in the rural areas of Uttar Pradesh, you can answer this question. If any student want to answer from our pairing state, from Greater Noida or from Varanasi Kent.
मैं अंतिमा केंद्रीय विद्यालय 39 जीटीसी से आपको ये जानकारी देना चाहूंगी कि उत्तर प्रदेश के सभी गांवों में स्वास्थ्य केंद्र मौजूद हैं तथा सभी प्रकार की सेवाएं स्वास्थ्य संबंधी सेवाएं वहां उपलब्ध कराई जाती हैं।
Okay, last question is, can you please suggest some places that tourists would love to visit in Uttar Pradesh?
There are many places in our Varanasi region only, like the famous Sarnath and the famous Vishwanath temple, and so many other places are also there in Uttar Pradesh, like the city Agra, which is very famous for its Taj Mahal, and Many other places are also there, like Lucknow, city of Nawabs. You can visit there, and uh, went to so many places like the Imam Bada. There are so many bags over there. You can visit them, and you definitely enjoy coming to Uttar Pradesh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jigyasa and Antima. Is there any other students who want to ask any question to your paired state from UP or from Arunachal Pradesh?
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shaya Bhaktesh of class 6B. I am from KV number 2 Itarpur. My question is to the students of Uttar Pradesh is there is also an old fort situated in Agra near Taj Mahal. Why it is beautiful? Please answer it.
Shaurya, will you please repeat your question one more time?
Sir, my question is that there is an old fort also situated in Taj Mahal. So, sir, why it is made for?
Is there any student from KV Greater Noida or KV Varanasi Kent who want to answer that question?
Actually, Agra Fort was a historical fort in the city of Agra, and it was the main residence of emperor of Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital shifted from Agra to Delhi.
Thanks for answering this question.
Okay, thank you so much, students, for interacting with each other.
I would
Now
like
it is
to ask a question,
Yeah,
that
please.
which is the famous dish of Arunachal Pradesh?
Okay, very good question. Can any other student from Arunachal Pradesh answer this question?
Sir, bamboo rice.
Okay, that is bamboo rice. Okay, is there any other questions from our pairing state, Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, sir, I would like to ask a question also.
Yeah. Please ask.
I am Deepshikha from Kendra Vidyalaya, Greater Noida. I would like to ask if any of the students or the respected teachers from Arunachal Pradesh have ever came to Uttar Pradesh. If they did, what was their impression of Uttar Pradesh and which city they visited? Please share the experiences.
May I reply it?
Yes, please.
I went there to visit Taj Mahal, and I also saw Mathura, Vrindavan. Their hospitality was very nice. I was enjoying there, and I also was glad to see their monuments, and I enjoyed a lot there. Thank you.
Sorry, I would also ask whether you enjoyed the food, the famous cuisine, the Mathura ka peda and Agra ka petha.
I have eaten. It was sumptuous, and lassi also.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad and pleased to know you enjoyed the experience. Come visit again.
Same
So
here.
much Deepshika and Shaurya. And one more student wanted to ask any question. I think the name is Jyoti here.
Yes, sir. How many tribes in Arunachal Pradesh?
Yeah, Jyoti, can you please repeat your question?
Sir, my question is how much have lived in Arunachal Pradesh? Sir, my voice audible?
Yeah, it is audible, but it is not clear, so that we are not able to understand your question properly. Can you repeat it again, please?
My question, how many tribes
student is able to hear the sound
Yes,
from
sir.
Arunachal Pradesh? Yeah, please, ma'am.
Sir, the question is that how many tribal groups are there in Arunachal Pradesh?
Okay. Is any student want to answer that question?
Yes, dear. In Arunachal
Ma'am, there is at least 26 tribes in Arunachal Pradesh. Some of them are Nishi, Galo, Bodo, etc.
These are major tribes of अरुणाचल प्रदेश और अब बेटे अगर आप माइनर की बात करो तो यहाँ मोर देन 120 माइनर ट्राइब्स होता है और कुछ के बारे में हमने आपको छोटे से टाइम में दिखाने की कोशिश किया था. दिनेश सर प्लीज.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much, Jyoti, Shaurya, and ma'am, for interacting with the students. Now it is the time to call our stalwarts to have some few words with us. At first, I request Dr. Karunakar Upadhyay sir, Principal KV Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, to have few words with us. Please, sir. Dr. Karunakar Upadhyay sir.
Dinesh sir, I think he has left. So can we call?
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, actually, at his place, Vice Principal sir was joining, and just
Okay, ma'am. Thank
No.
you. Dinesh
No,
sir,
he is
now
not
can we
here.
please call respected Pandey from Varanasi?
Okay, ma'am. Now I request and invite Shri B. Pandey, Principal KV 39 GTC Varanasi Kent, to address our students and to address her and share some views with us also. Shri B. Pandey sir.
Okay, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, thank you very much. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. We can hear you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Dr. Karunakar Upadhyay, Principal KV, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Principal Mr. Meena from KV number 2, Itanagar. The coordinators, different functionaries involved in the organization of this beautiful video conferencing with the two pairing states and partner states. The students who have joined this video conference, their parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy that such a beautiful program has been organized in coordination with all the three Kendriya Vidyalayas. And I don't know as to who is the main coordinator, but when I received an email from Dr. Sumedha Mamgai, I responded to it and I asked the CC in charge and TGT Geography of this Vidyalaya, Mr. Biren Prasad Gupta, to coordinate and to carry forward the work of video conferencing. I am very happy to communicate to all the students, teachers and principals, sir, of KV number 2, Itanagar, that I have been to your Kendriya Vidyalaya twice and thrice, way back in 2013 and 15. I was there on academic panel inspection visit with Honorable Deputy Commissioner of that time. So I have seen your beautiful Kendriya Vidyalaya. I have met a number of students from Arunachal Pradesh, and I am very familiar with the rich and diverse culture of Arunachal Pradesh. Most of the things which we noticed, we have witnessed in this video conferencing, that the main purpose behind organizing this type of video conferencing during this lockdown is to share our joys and happiness, experiences and emotions, our views and outwards. And I'm very surprised that the students took a very active interest, active part and active role they played in this video conferencing. Though due to network problems, there were certain constraints and limitations with some students and some teachers also. But overall, it's a very, very successful and luxurious program which provides us a rich experience and knowledge of both the states. Though we are residing in Uttar Pradesh, but the facts which were presented by the students, some of the facts were not known to us. Similarly, we have studied a lot about Arunachal Pradesh, but some of the facts and figures which were presented by the students of Arunachal Pradesh, particularly KV number 2 Itanagar, were not known to us. So we feel enriched, we feel more experienced, we have now more knowledge of both the states, and this is the purpose behind it, that we know one another in such a way that we feel emotionally integrated, culturally integrated, socially integrated, and this is the way to maintain national unity and solidarity. On behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya 39 GTC Varanasi family, from all the teachers, organizers, I extend my heartiest thanks to the coordinators, to all the 3 Vidyalayas, and we hope that such type of programs should continue to be organized in future also, without any administrative pressure or without any administrative orders from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I extend my warm wishes to one and all on this momentous occasion of video conferencing under Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable wordings. We from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Itanagar assure you that in future we will definitely try to contact or to have these kind of interaction with our parent states, and we will definitely interact with each other, and we will know more about the language, food, culture, and different things of each other states. Now I request and invite our mentor, our guide, Sri K.R. Meena sir, Principal KV number 2 Itanagar, to have few words with us and to have some blessings for us. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. Dinesh sir?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Mic.
Excuse me, sir. We are not able to hear you. Okay.
Respected Principal Sri Pandey ji, केंद्रीय विद्यालय वाराणसी कैंट, Respected Principal Sri उपाध्याय जी, केंद्रीय विद्यालय ग्रेटर नोएडा, all the teachers of both KVs, parents and lovely students. Good afternoon, all of you. सारी चीजें तो आपके साथ अभी पांडे सर ने बखूबी पेश कर दी है, और एक चीज जरूर मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं नहीं सोच रहा था कि इतना शानदार कार्यक्रम ग्रेटर नोएडा और वाराणसी के द्वारा पेश किया जाएगा। वास्तव में बहुत शानदार प्रस्तुतियां दोनों विद्यालयों और साथ साथ हमारे विद्यालय के द्वारा भी पेश की गई। मैं कहना चाहूं तो उम्मीद से भी ज्यादा देखने को मिला, और भविष्य में भी इस तरह का कार्यक्रम आयोजित होता रहे। दोनों विद्यालय के छात्र छात्राओं के द्वारा जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन पेश की गई काबिले तारीफ थी, और मैं चाहूंगा कि एक बार 2 सेकंड के लिए अपना माइक ऑन करके सभी छात्र छात्राओं के लिए सभी एक बार जोरदार ताली बजा दें। दो पंक्तियां याद आती है कि मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। आज अरुणाचल प्रदेश ग्रेटर नोएडा वाराणसी के छात्र छात्राओं का, वहां की कल्चर का, वहां की विरासत का स्वर आज एक साथ देखने को मिला, और ये समागम वास्तव में शानदार था। और जब छात्रों ने, वाराणसी के छात्रों द्वारा, ग्रेटर नोएडा के छात्रों द्वारा वहां का जो लोकल गीत पेश किया गया, तो वहां की संस्कृति को जीवंत कर दिया, और ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम यहाँ अरुणाचल की वादियों में बैठे हुए हैं। हमको ग्रेटर नोएडा और वाराणसी का एहसास होने लगा। सर दिनेश सर, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, yes sir, we can hear you sir.
जी सर, जी। तो सभी छात्र छात्राओं को मैं हार्दिक बधाई देना चाहूंगा, और एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, मेरे शब्दों में कहूं तो पूरे जहां में, पूरे विश्व में, पूरे संसार में भारत एक ही है, और वो श्रेष्ठ है, और वो श्रेष्ठ रहेगा। और इसकी श्रेष्ठता को बुलंद करने के लिए, उसको समृद्ध करने के लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय अपना अहम योगदान दे रहा है और देता रहेगा। इसका एहसास हम सभी के अंदर रहे, और हम इसके लिए समर्पित होकर के कार्य करें। अंत में इस कार्यक्रम के लिए 2 पंक्तियां मेरी तरफ से पेश करना चाहूंगा कि जहां जन्नत का नजारा है, जहां जन्नत का नजारा है, जहां बहती प्यार की धारा है, जहां जन्नत का नजारा है, जहां बहती प्यार की धारा है, ये हमको जान से प्यारा है, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। मैं मेरी तरफ से केंद्रीय विद्यालय ग्रेटर नोएडा के प्रिंसिपल और उनकी टीम और समस्त छात्रों को, केंद्रीय विद्यालय वाराणसी कैंट के प्रिंसिपल, उनकी टीम, उनके छात्रों को, और केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 2 ईटानगर के टीचर्स जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित किया, उन सबको हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं, और चाहता हूं कि सभी इस कोविड जैसी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन में स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you so much sir for having this beautiful and melodious words with us. Now it is the time for ending the session. Before ending this session, I want to thank Sri KR, respected Sri KR Meena sir, venue principal, KV number 2 Itanagar, and Dr. Karunakar Upadhyay sir, principal Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and Sri V Pandey, principal KV 39 GTC, Varanasi, Kent, for the cooperation or for the authorities you have provided us so that we were able to conduct such kind of program in which we interacted with each other and we came to know about the different culture and tradition and many more things about each other. Thank you so much for giving us these kind of authorities. And after that, I want to thank all Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat in charges of all three Vidyalayas, Sri B.P. Gupta, PGT Geography and in charge EVSB. And after that, Mrs. Nidhi Kumari ma'am, PGT History,
Thank you, sir.
in charge EVSB, Greater Noida. And after that, Dr. Sumedha Mamgai, TGT Social Science, in charge EVSB, KV number 2 Itanagar, for cooperating with each other and for interacting with each other. You have made a great work and you provided the platform to all the students to express their talent or to express their patriotism towards their state and to show the talent they have produced in front of us. So thank you so much for your collaboration and providing us a chance to meet each other. And after that, I want to thank Sri S.K. Pathak sir, PGT Hindi, Varanasi, Kent, Mrs. Sushma ma'am, PGT Social Science, KV number 2 Itanagar, and all the officials and teachers who have sensitized our students and us also. I want to thank you all the teachers and officials also. And after that, I want to thank Sri Amresh Kumar, PRT KV number 2 Itanagar, for the technical support he has given us. And after that, I want to thank all the parents for being part of this great program and supporting your students or what. And after that, the most important, I want to thank my all dear students who participated in this program and made it a great success. All the students of KV number 2 Itanagar, KV Greater Noida and KV 39 GTC Varanasi, Kent. And with this hope that we will definitely meet again and we will have an interaction with each other in near future, we are going to end this session. On behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, I want to thank all of you and thank you so much for joining this meeting. And this is the time to wrap up now. Thank you so much on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Itanagar.